Racing just is started with Warrior Flame. Break weekly start. Mount Pulag is running by the rail. And on the outside comes Golden Hands. The next online is Fighting Proud. Jade's Treasure alongside Lemonada. Second less. Well, Happy We Go is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn with Mount Pulag by about 3 lengths. And in second is Warrior Flame. Golden Hands is racing in third, and in fourth comes Fighting Proud. Lemonada comes next, then followed by Jade's Treasure, while Happy We Go is still racing in last. Back to the leader, we have Mount Pulag this time by about 6 lengths, and in second remains Warrior Flame. Golden Hands moving up now on the outside is Lemonada, and next online is Fighting Proud. Jade's Treasure second last, while Happy We Go is still racing in last 400 meters of the race with Mount Pulag is still in control, leads by about 8 lengths, and in second Warrior Flame moving up on the outside now is Lemonada as they swing for home. Mount Pulag this time now by about 10 lengths over Warrior Flame. Lemonada is on the outside, last 50 meters it's all Mount Pulag. The second is Lemonada, Warrior Flame, Jade's Treasure.
Merang tapos, numero 1, Mount Pulag, ridden by John Foley Guse. Masisigundo yung 4 si Lemonada, Warrior Flame, then 7. Panoorin natin replay nitong race number 5.